guys with a ramen noodle mukbang. We have black bean noodles, we have cheese ramen, eggs, spring rolls, and dumplings. I have my sister here and my cousin Sherika. Quick baby, say hey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started eating because I'm hungry, and you see how hungry she is. She already started eating. All right. Grab me a spring roll.
Still watching baby cartoons.
Why are you eating your own? You should look under the bed. No. No, Sadie.
Oh, damn.
Sadie.
This not a cup.
No. No. Why are you fighting her? If they end up in the video, they gonna cut off my comments just for them even peeping in.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I want nobody to say anything about the kids.
Yeah. I don't know though. There's no show right there. It's not. She went in my drawer and got that remote control.
They lost the other.
I don't know. She wanted to find it because she ain't finna be using that one. I'm sorry, you guys. That's the reason why we put that one in my room drawer. I'm letting them use the other two. Actually, just that one because they be losing it. And then when they do, when we lose all the remote controls, you can't do nothing. You know? Sadie, just let her play on your phone for right now. You can get on your computer.
I can play games on it. I'm doing school.
I don't know.
Yeah, she putting on a hell of an act, huh? For that phone.
You can get on my computer for right now. Why not jack it up? Ooh, these black beans. Oh, I got it, girl.
Oh, thank you.
Ooh, it's
I'm
spicy.
touching it. I'm going to be touching it too. You know, my hand's clean. I'm good.
You want to try this?
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh,
Honey, you want to try these, right?
By the way, the egg rolls taste good inside the dark sauce.
Dumpling sauce.
Yep.
Yeah, egg really helps that
Yeah. Don't fucking laugh at me because if you see how most people eat their food on these mukbangs, you wouldn't be looking at me like that. Right? Somebody putting like a whole bunch of noodles in there. No,
You gonna say they gonna give you her phone?
go get it. Go get it. Tell her to give it to you now. Go get it.
Sadie, come get your sister.
Who in that kitchen?
Star.
Come get her for soup. And come in there. Yeah.
Where is her phone?
Don't know.
Did you look behind? Did you look beside my bed? Under it? Looked in my drawer?
I don't like how she looked. Looked like she was saying kind of like she really didn't look that good, but she don't tell you she did.
Hold on, you guys. Oh my gosh. I swear.
eat it.
I did not say eat it. I said hold on so I can find her phone, come back, and I ate damn all near everything on the other tray.
I stopped eating. Like 3 minutes after you left, I stopped. A lot went on in 3 minutes.
I wasn't even gone that long. May I help you?
You can't come into the picture. What are you doing?
I know she didn't think she could actually come to this picture.
Your shadow can't even be in here. Oh, okay. Damn. Look at just me Or did she do something?
I had a question though, cause I didn't know. Did you get a Chromebook for Sky?
No, so didn't.
Why didn't you get one for Sky?
I don't know.
Cause she already had one. You just could have just got one for the school.
So good. They got a laptop, and they said it is slow. So, that's the deal. I didn't think about that. She has to do her work on the Chromebook. I tried to get started Chromebook before her teacher told me about these online things. And now I'm thinking about it like, yeah.
Your phone on the charger. You can get your phone in a minute. Sadie, what did I ask you to do? Don't let her come back. She can't be in the video.
Lord have mercy, what she doing there, child?
Anyway, how you guys doing? How you been?
We haven't even been able to say much because kids and of course we're eating.
And that's another reason why I haven't been doing videos. Because it's so hard. Sorry. It's been so hard to try to keep them out the videos. Especially Imani. I don't want to keep out the video.
What?
I said Imani's the hardest one to keep out the videos.
Yeah, it's like she know it too. She's good at acting like she don't.
Huh. Well, she like being in the camera, just like Sadie like being in the camera. She got the opportunity to poke her head in here, she do it.
They got that ruler right there. You better pick it up before you down the hallway. She together there.
Yeah, but she ain't got no shirt on. That's another reason why she don't make the damn camera.
Nope.
This good. This is so good. It's good cold.
You know what? It's probably very cold because it's hot as hell.
Oh, the food. Okay. Yeah. I feel like burping, but I can't.
What are these?
I don't think you like them.
I don't think you
These?
know.
The
Yeah.
dumplings.
Yeah, hell she will.
Good cloud before.
Here, dip you up.
Mary trying to keep the mouth for herself.
The dumplings.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I remember. That's why I said it. Because you tried one before and you didn't like it.
What is that? Onions?
It's
Oh.
vegetables and pork.
I don't want to eat it. I can't eat it. I just been eating too much for shit.
Excuse me, you gonna really help me though? Cause when I get in this kitchen and mix up this masa and stuff, we really gotta be like, cause it's gonna take at least an hour
What?
to an hour and a half to cook those tamales.
Yeah, I have.
I'm gonna show you how to do it. Man, I feel like I got a big burp in me, but it's just not coming. I hate that. You hate that feeling? Like you just feel it.
I feel a little bit. That damn scale.
Oh, I thought the
What?
eggs. Excuse me,
Yeah, whatever. Make your own game.
That I ain't on the camera.
The hell did I just eat? I think it was a bean.
Okay.
He said it was a bean.
Yeah.
That was a bean and a black bean.
Yeah.
For real?
I didn't know that. Is that what they call a bean right there? That's a pea, one no damn bean.
Bean. A pea is a bean. That's what they call sweet peas. Bean. That's right.
My mom was already calculating. People, wait a minute.
Hold up. Did she say? Wait a minute. That's not match.
That's the fucked up. Yeah.
It's the fucked up egg, about to get fucked up. Damn, I can't even grab it. That sound like Junior when he in there.
Oh my gosh, she's sure.
That's the yellow pack. Noodles.
Yeah. Now my baby crying. Oh my gosh, so much going on in that room. Y'all can check me out on TikTok. I'm gonna change my TikTok name, so I'm not gonna tell y'all right now. But I think I'm gonna change it to the I'm gonna change it to probably, if they let me, it'll probably be Sweet Lady Vamp. So we'll see.
I think that's curtain.
So check out my TikTok. I'm gonna change the name before I post this video. Cause I didn't even know I could change the name. I thought I could. So I'm gonna change it.
I think this is my last bite.
Pass me some of the orange noodles over there.
Okay. Damn.
How you took it out from there?
I don't need a lot. I ate a lot of them black beans.
You like them?
It tastes the same as the other ones, really.
No, it don't.
Man, taste a
They
little
just
bit.
need to be hot. I'm out. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Well, I feel like the fucking mukbang ever. Oh, I know, cause y'all ate the food.
What you talking about? It was too good not to eat. I mean, we couldn't stop ourselves.
Coronavirus.
She was just get out.
This is real.
I bet they like they not practicing social distance. We live together, okay, y'all? We live together.
No, we don't live together.
Yes, we do. Oh man, I'm done. Oh yeah, didn't nobody show y'all we was drinking?
I'm doing that 'cause my mouth is burning, guys. I'm just gonna tear up my stomach. I can feel the burn now in my stomach. Not really with my throat, my tongue burned though, and I really got to burp. But
It
it's just
doesn't
my
burn
tongue.
for very long, you know.
No,
About 10
not like
minutes
those other
and then
ones. It's not like excruciating burn. Oh, I did have one time that burned so bad. That day, I tried that 2 times spicy noodle. I think it's gonna come.
Oh, you must have forgot.
Excuse me. There it goes.
Y'all done. Can't compete with that.
It was stuck.
She got a quick, y'all. She wasn't playing.
Where are you going?
Hey, don't go without me. Where you gonna go? We all right.
Oh, that's all it was about. A little cigarette break. Anyway, you guys. We guys.
She gonna go.
She ain't going nowhere without them kids.
Oh.
If she drive out, I squirm me out there chasing that kid. Get back here! Get down, Shelly! Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and be part of the Eats and Treats gang. So we can eat and have treats and challenges and stuff sometimes. And she ate legit and didn't say bye to you guys. I don't know.
Well, I'm still eating, y'all guys, so I can't really say anything, but bye-bye.
Bye.